Today I'll be sharing with you how I make easy spaghetti straps. For fine straps, I'll cut a 1-inch strip of fabric to length. I like to use a stretched satin which has shine and elasticity. You can rip it along the width, which makes it really straight and even, or you can cut it on the bias. Now it's time to press flat. This bit is really satisfying to watch. Fold the right sides together and sew it as narrow as you want it to be. I use 6mm, which is the left side of my presser foot, for straps, and 5mm for corset lacing. If you want to retain the stretch, make sure to gently hold both ends taut as you're sewing. Now to trim off the excess, I leave about 2 to 3mm on the seam allowance. Skip this step if you want rounded straps. To turn it inside out, make a tiny snip on the end. Now you want to put the long end of the bobby pin inside where you just snipped and the short end through the top. Sorry the video is a bit blurry, but I hope you can see what I did there. Push the pin through very gently, especially when you're working with delicate fabrics like silks. This is why I love using satins, because the smooth finish allows it to glide through very easily. If your straps are long, this may take some time, so please be patient. The last thing you'll want is for the fabric that catches the bobby pin to break. If the ends are going to be exposed, make sure to snip it cleanly and seal it with heat. And there you go, very easy spaghetti straps. They look like noodles and make me very hungry. You can use these for corset lacing, straps for tops and dresses, or decoration. I also use the same technique for boning casings, but just make them in a different size. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.